Okay.
Is it on? Okay, our beginning pose. We acknowledge the other, like my feet. We acknowledge the other person. We rotate to our places. And we end in fifth in a straight line.
Okay.
Tandu right front, 1, 2, Tony back, 3, 4, Martha and I walk north, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our left foot's in front, okay? 1, 2, battement, plie, and 2, up, reach, and we go into our pose. They're doing whatever they're doing, and on the slow music, chasse saute, walk to your circle. I'm at this corner, Martha is over here, and then around, and coupe bourrée. 1, 2, by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and walk to the line and up. Now we all should be in a straight line. The little da-da part you like. 1, 2, bum, 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 ba, ba, ba. Coupe, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Fifth, sous-sous. What comes next? Do you remember? Seesaw. Sorry.
Okay.
Do this again. After the pas de bourrée, just leave the arms here. I'm doing this. Seesaw. 1 and 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we do our crossing. We really haven't perfected that yet.
Okay.
We do our 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3. And you, Martha, will have come from here. You went across. You will come up the inside of me. I will be coming down here. And then you turn, and here in whatever little thing that we're going to do. Quiet music, almost no music. We're going to walk. This is kind of sort of if, and then we pose, ready for the big music at the end. Here's where we go across, and we meet in the middle with the pas de chat. So we have piqué arabesque 1, 2, glissade 3, pas de chat 4, tombe, pas de bourrée, glissade, other arm, arabesque step, glissade, pas de chat, tombe, and glissade, and pose. I don't know what you guys are doing here. This is where Sue and I do our little thing, so we don't really have the end part done.
Okay. But you know what?